At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a white label business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Identify a product or service with a proven demand in the market. Look for gaps or areas where you can offer something unique or better than existing options. 2. Choose a niche. Narrow down your focus to a specific niche within the industry. This will help you target your marketing efforts more effectively and differentiate yourself from competitors. 3. Find a supplier or manufacturer. Look for suppliers or manufacturers who offer white label solutions for the product or service you want to offer. Ensure they have a good reputation for quality and reliability. 4. Negotiate terms. Negotiate pricing, minimum order quantities, branding options, and any other terms with your supplier. Make sure you understand the costs involved and the profit margins you can expect. 5. Create your branding. Develop your brand identity, including a logo, packaging, and marketing materials. Make sure your branding aligns with the values and preferences of your target audience. 6. Legal considerations. Register your business, obtain any necessary licenses or permits, and ensure compliance with relevant regulations and laws. Consider consulting with a lawyer to draft contracts and agreements with your suppliers. 7. Set up your sales channels. Decide how you will sell your white label products or services. This could include setting up an online store, selling through existing retail channels, or partnering with other businesses. 8. Market your business. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your white label products or services. This could include online marketing, social media, advertising, influencer partnerships, and more. 9. Launch your business. Once everything is in place, launch your white label business. Monitor sales and customer feedback, and be prepared to make adjustments to your strategy as needed. 10. Scale your business. As your business grows, look for opportunities to expand your product line, reach new markets, and improve efficiency. Continuously evaluate and refine your business strategy to stay competitive in the market. Starting a white label business requires careful planning and execution, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative opportunity to build a successful brand. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.